Hello and welcome to How to Log In. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change the privacy settings on Zangi Messenger app. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Zangi Messenger app on your phone, and after you do so, go ahead and authenticate yourself. Now, what you need to do is click on the gear icon on the bottom right hand corner, scroll a bit down and find privacy. So if you click on privacy, you can see there are some functions like passcode lock and fingerprint, so online status, so when I'm typing, so scene status, blocked and delete account. So I'm gonna explain it to you one by one. So you can see the passcode lock and fingerprint. If you want to set it up, you can do it. You can see the turn off option, you can turn it off as well. If you want to add a new code, you can do this. Go ahead and click on it. Click on turn passcode lock on and enter a code for yourself. Go ahead and confirm the code and you will be taken to this page. You can change your passcode by clicking on this icon over here, or else if you want to turn it off, you can click here, and you can also enable or disable unlock with fingerprint option. Now, talking about your online status, you can enable or disable it, and you can also enable or disable the show when I'm typing option. So if you don't want people to see if you're typing or not, and if you don't want to see the online status, or if you don't want to show others if you're online or offline, you can enable or disable it. And you can see the scene status if you don't want people the message, if you have sent the message to people and you don't want others that they have seen the message, and you can see that enabling or disabling this will enable the scene status. Now if you want to block someone, you can do that as well from here, and the delete account option is also there, so you can access it from privacy settings, which is right here. Go to gear icon, click on privacy, and you can see all of these features. I hope this video about how you can change the privacy settings on your Zangi Messenger app was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.